What's up everyone, Sal Sincata here with another episode of
Ugly Spots, Killer Shots.
All right, Ugly Spots, Killer Shots. Let's see if we can pull this off. So we are here, you can see, not a very picturesque location. I think I would be a very nice way of describing it, but we got to make something killer here. So what am I seeing in this shot? So from a fence perspective, we've got leading lines that are leading away, right? So they're falling off on both camera left and right. So I'm using the center one as our focal point, shallow depth of field, f2.0 with an off-camera flash. I'm using the FJ80 version 2, and we're gonna use that for light because we want to darken down the scene a little bit. Low angle, I want some high fashion stuff out of it. So let's see if we can create a killer shot here. Violet, do you want to be on that or do you want to come off that? Why don't we bring you off it? Let me see you right there. Yeah. Give me big angles with your body. I like this a lot, Violet. Looking off to your right. More right. Face is perfect. Brandy, follow her nose. Here we go. Test shot. 1, 2. Oh, I really like this. I think we're gonna get a killer shot. You're gonna have to let us know in the comments, even though Violet didn't know the name of the episode. All right, hold on. I'm gonna change this a little bit. So just so you guys watching, I'm gonna up the flash power here and I'm gonna darken down the scene just a little bit. So I'm underexposing by 2. All right, so here we go. Now I'm darkening down this a little bit. Here we go, 1, 2. Really like the way this is looking. Violet, I need you to shimmy to your right just a little. Yep, good. I'm trying to get that pole perfect. Yep, right there. Here we go. Ooh, I really like the way this is looking now. All right, we're gonna rock and roll. Here we go. 1, 2. Gorgeous. And I'm trying, guys, to get these leading lines as symmetrical as possible. It's harder than you think with the lines falling away. There we go. Gorgeous. Hard right with your face. Yeah, I like that, Violet. Good job. Right there. 1, 2. Get your belly button at me. I love lower body here. What if we're grabbing the fence? Love that hand. Let that elbow flare a little bit. Love that. This hand, what if it's down low? Nah, looks better on your hip. I love that. Good. Turtle hard for me. And lean in at the waist. Yep. Chin down. Out hard. Yeah, you're okay there. Come a little bit higher and right there. Yep. Legs look good for me, Violet. Here we go. Let me get another shot. Zooming in here a little bit. Looking off to your right. Love that. Right there. Okay, now, Violet, what if there's a way, like what if I'm shooting through here? Let me see you through here. Brandy, let me see some light through here. It's really good. All right.
Is it killer?
It's a killer shot. All right, now we gotta make it good. All right, so what's happening here is the flash is hitting the fence a little bit. It's creating a little bit of shadow on her. What if you're looking this way? Ooh, I like that. Brandy, what if you come around here and you hit her clean with the light? Yep, good. Let's see what that's looking like. I'm getting too much of the whites of your eyes, so turn that face hard left. Yeah, right there, harder if you can. Yes, right there. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is because of all these fences, I'm gonna switch this into manual mode and I'm gonna try and get focus right on her eye. Oh, would you look at that? With the Canon R5 focus peaking, we can get that super easy. All right, here we go, sorry. Shameless plug. All right, here we go. 1, 2, okay, this looks better. Stand by. So I'm in manual focus, trying to get her eye through this fence and trying to line up her eyes. There we go. 1, 2, killer. Playing tight, trying to get your eyes through the fence, Violet. Sorry, love this. Okay, let me try one more thing, don't move. Can you shine this over my head now through the fence? Maybe from here. You wanna give me something different, Violet? Don't go too high with that hand because I can't get up there. You gotta stay in this like pocket for me. I like where that's going, good. Don't have that hand there, that's gonna catch all the light. So maybe it's here. Yep, chin this way just a little bit. Yep, right there. I need you to slide your head this way. Right there. So I got your eyes in between the chain link fence. Here we go. 1, 2. Too angry, Violet.
I'm trying to give you rain.
Here we go. What if you reverse? Yeah, I like that. Good. Hard chin this way. Yep, eyes in me though. Yep, don't move. That left hand, we need it. Maybe it's coming across your waist. All right, I like it there. Chin hard, eyes in me. Here we go, 1, 2. Ooh, I like this, a lot of fun. Here we go, hold on. This is fun.
I'm having fun.
Yeah, now give me a more fierce look. Right there, 1, 2. And there we go, guys. What is the title?
Oh, making fun of me?
It is, because I keep wanting to say, I want to say spots, killer spots, but can't say it. YouTube won't allow it. This is a G-rated family program. Ugly spots, killer shots. Hopefully you think we got some killer stuff here. Just moving around that flash, shooting through the chain link fence, something to get your creative juices flowing. Try it on the next shoot. We'll see you in the next one.